Hello to everyone! Are you dreaming of owning your own farmhouse but don't want the hassle of building one from scratch? Well then you have clicked on the right video. Today, we will show you some excellent prefab farmhouses. These ready-to-go homes offer convenience and style in one package. But which one is perfect for you? Let's find out together. Ready? Number 15. Nationwide Homes. Nationwide Homes started in 1959. They first made kits for people to build their own homes. These kits were sent all over the United States. Then in 1969, they began making modular houses. By 1995, they had built their 20,000th modular home. They kept growing and reached 30,000 homes by 2003. This was because they sold lots of homes every year. Nationwide Homes is smart. They made a modular home that can handle really strong winds. It can stay standing even if the wind is as fast as 175 miles per hour. This is good for places like the Florida Keys where there are often big storms. And now they have 6 farmhouse designs ready to go. But don't worry if you don't like them exactly as they are, you can change them to fit what you want. Number 14. Silverpoint Homes. Silverpoint Homes started trading in 1997. That means they've been building homes for more than 20 years. They're based in Beaver, West Virginia. In 2006, they started offering modular homes too. According to them, their homes are top quality but still affordable. They're one of the biggest companies making modular homes. They even took over some other companies making modular homes. If you go to their website, you can see all the homes they make. They even have a tool to help you figure out how much a home might cost you. Number 13. Bone Structure. Bone Structure may sound like a place for changing appearances, but it's actually a fancy word for a company that makes cool buildings using technology. One of their buildings, called the New Classic 31, looks like a farmhouse and is perfect for a big family. The way Bone Structure builds things with steel is so special that they have patents in 25 different countries. Lots of builders and people who buy houses from Bone Structures use this special steel to make comfy and eco-friendly homes. Bone Structure's buildings have lots of windows to let in sunlight, making the inside feel bright and cheery. They also use really good insulation to keep the house cozy in winter and cool in summer. Number 12. Burlington's Carolina Custom Homes. Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington really likes making homes that are good quality, not too expensive, and you can trust they'll be built right. They have lots of different plans for houses, over 600 in fact. And if you want, they can change these plans to fit what you want for your family. They're even okay with using a plan you bring in or one from another company. They'll tell you how much it will cost, and if you say yes, they'll start building your new farmhouse exactly the way you want it. Their website is full of helpful information, like tips and guides that explain everything about building a home. They also have webinars you can watch to learn more about the whole process. Number 11. Pratt Homes. Pratt Homes started their business in 1996. They build beautiful modular farmhouse homes with lots of choices for everyone. They have hundreds of floor plans that fit different budgets and tastes. It's important to mention that many of their current and former employees have chosen to live in Pratt Homes themselves. Pratt Homes is part of the Tyler Chamber of Commerce and is known for their good quality work and professionalism. They also offer financing options directly through their licensed mortgage loan originator. This means they provide a complete service for anyone looking to buy a prefab farmhouse. Number 10. Huntington Homes. Huntington Homes started in 1978. They began in an old airport hangar with local builders who wanted to make better homes using prefab parts made in a factory. Now, after more than 40 years, Huntington Homes is still doing well. They work from their factory in East Montpelier, Vermont. They offer 75 different home designs to choose from. They can handle everything from preparing and building site to finishing touches in the upper valley of New Hampshire and northern Vermont. Huntington Homes also builds custom homes. Their famous design has thick walls, special windows, and an efficient heating and cooling system. This makes it one of the most energy-efficient homes you can build. Number 9. GoLogic's Go Home. GoLogic is a company in Maine. They build homes that are good for the environment. These homes save a lot of energy, using 80% less energy than regular homes. They follow passive house standards, which means the houses are very efficient. Their houses look nice and modern, but still have a charming farmhouse style. GoLogic can make special plans just for you if you want a custom home. Number 8. Bright Built Home. Bright Built Homes started in 2013 and has been talked about in big newspapers and on the radio like the New York Times, NPR, and USA Today. They help people who want to build special homes that are good for the environment. One of their first big projects was the Bright Built Barn in Maine. This was the first building in the state to make as much energy as it used. They showed how much energy it was using online and on the building itself to teach people about living in a more eco-friendly way. So if you want to build a farmhouse with Bright Built Homes, they will give you advice on how to make the most of solar energy, how to get the best views, and where to place your house on your land. Number 7. Clayton Homes. Clayton Homes has started as a small family business with a big goal: to make owning a home possible for everyone. Over time, Clayton Homes has grown a lot. Now it is one of the biggest companies in America that builds homes. They make homes in factories and also build them right on the land where they stay. Clayton Homes always tries to make their homes better for the environment. They build special houses called modular farmhouses that save energy and water. They use fewer resources to make these homes, which is good for the planet. They keep getting better at making these homes by improving how they build them and by adding new smart features to the houses. Number 6. Home Nation. Number 5. Franklin Prefab. Franklin Prefab builds modular homes in Russellville, Alabama. They started in 1969 and have made thousands of homes, including farmhouses. Franklin is known for making high-quality homes. They build everything inside their factory so the materials stay protected from the weather. Even though the factory is in Russellville, Franklin sells their homes through stores in 14 states across the U.S. Number 4. Buccaneer Homes. Buccaneer Home Builders makes the American farmhouse, which has nice features like tall insulated walls and stylish faucets. They focus on making every detail perfect. Buccaneer wants to make country homes that are both beautiful and affordable. Their homes are Clayton built, so you can trust that they're strong, energy efficient, and made to the best standards. Number 3. Ari Becker. Ari Becker is a family business in Wapakoneta, Ohio, that builds houses for families. They've been doing this for many years. They're well known and trusted. They belong to groups like the National Association of Home Builders and the Better Business Bureau. Their houses cost between $100,000 and $500,000, so they have options for different budgets. You can also get help with financing directly from them, and they can assist you in getting special loans and government programs. Number 2. Unity Homes. Unity Homes makes houses using 5 different types that can get bigger if needed. They have lots of parts already designed, like bedrooms, porches, and bathrooms. This makes building cheaper and lets you customize your house. This way, Unity can make sure the houses are well made and meet quality standards, all at a price you know from the start. Number 1. Affinity Building Systems. Affinity Building Systems, located in Lakeland, Georgia, makes modular buildings. These buildings are made indoors to keep them safe from bad weather. They follow strict rules to make sure their buildings are strong and meet all the rules. If you live in an area with strong winds, their buildings can handle it. They also focus on saving energy, using good insulation. One of their popular designs is the Heritage Farmhouse, which is 4 bedrooms and is great for families. And that's all for now. So which farmhouse design caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you liked this video and want to see more amazing prefab modular farmhouses, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.